John, hi, I'm John. This is my first time in America. Mike, hi John. Welcome. I'm Mike. Where are you from? John, I'm from Italy. I came here for a student exchange program. Mike, that's awesome. How do you like it here so far? John, it's amazing. Everything is so different from back home. The cities are so big, and there are so many people. Mike, yeah, America can be overwhelming at first. Have you had the chance to explore any places yet? John, I visited New York City. It was incredible. The Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Central Park. There's so much to see. Mike, New York is definitely a great place to start. Have you tried any American food yet? John, yes. I tried a hamburger and fries. They were delicious. I also had a hot dog from a street vendor in New York. Mike, classic American eats. You should also try some regional specialties. Like in the South, you'll find amazing barbecue. John, that sounds great. I'll definitely try that. What do you like to do for fun around here? Mike, there are lots of things to do. You can visit museums, go to sports events, or just hang out at local cafes. If you are into outdoor activities, there are parks and hiking trails too. John, I enjoy hiking. Back home, I used to hike in the mountains with my family. Any good spots you'd recommend? Mike, absolutely. If you have time, you should check out the national parks. They're stunning. Closer to the city, there are some nice trails too. John, I'll make sure to check them out. What about school? How different is it here compared to other countries? Mike, well, schools here are pretty diverse. You'll meet people from all over the world. The classes might be bigger, and there are lots of extracurricular activities. John, that's good to know. I'm excited to make new friends and experience the culture. Mike, you'll do great. If you need any help or advice, just ask. Americans are generally friendly and willing to help. John, thanks, Mike. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to my time here. Mike, anytime, John. By the way, do you play any sports? John, yes, I play soccer. It's very popular in Italy. Do you play? Mike, I play basketball. It's huge here in America. You should come to one of our games sometime. John, I'd love that. Basketball is exciting. I'll need to learn more about the rules, though. Mike, no problem. It's pretty easy to pick up. I'll explain it to you during the game. John, thanks, Mike. What about American holidays? I've heard they can be pretty special. Mike, definitely. Thanksgiving is a big one. It's all about family, food, and giving thanks. You should join us for a Thanksgiving dinner. John, that sounds wonderful. We don't have Thanksgiving in Italy. What kind of food is served? Mike, lots of things, but the main dish is usually turkey. There's also stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie for dessert. John, that sounds delicious. I can't wait to try it. Are there any other holidays I should know about? Mike, Christmas is big here too, similar to Europe. And then there's the 4th of July, which is all about celebrating Independence Day with fireworks, barbecues, and parades. John, I think I'll be here for the 4th of July. It sounds like a lot of fun. Mike, it definitely is. You'll get to see some amazing fireworks displays. Do you have any plans to travel within the US? John, yes. I'd love to visit the West Coast. I've heard great things about Los Angeles and San Francisco. Mike, both are amazing cities. Los Angeles has Hollywood, beautiful beaches, and great weather. San Francisco has the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, and a cool vibe. John, I can't wait to see them. Traveling around the US seems like such an adventure. Mike, it is. Each state has its own unique culture and attractions. You'll never run out of things to do or see. John, thanks for all the tips, Mike. You've been really helpful. Mike, no problem, John. I'm glad to help. Enjoy your time here and make the most of it. This conversation about American culture, holidays, sports, food and travel, giving a richer picture of John's experience in America. Thank you. Do subscribe.